Hi guys, it's Dahana again with Planning with Intentions. Welcome. If you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. If you are a newbie, welcome. Make sure to click the subscribe button and click the bell to be reminded of when I post a new video. So today's video is about what planning sections should you have or should you start when setting up a planner. This is a very important question that you need to ask yourself, and it's actually a good starting point for a strong planning system, in my opinion. Reason why is if you have a good base to your planner, what you build on it will be strong. Even if you have to change a few things here, it will still be a very strong planning system. If you don't, or if your base is weak, then your planning system is going to will have cracks in it that at some point can shift and fall apart. Sort of the same system as, building something. With that, my opinion is if you are planning and you are planning for productivity, for organization, for completing a goal, or if you're juggling multiple things in life, this is what you should have as your base of your planning system. Of course, there's other reasons you can plan if it applies to your life, but it may give you more variety on how to start. This is for something important, something, not that anything else would not be, I don't mean it like that, but I mean in the sense that if it's something that you really need to work on, you really want to work on, and you want to get better at it, then these would be the reasons. You want to be more productive, and so on. So, like we all know, no business in the world has ever been built without planning. They've all been planned, and they've probably been planned for months before they were ever built. Same thing for your planning system. I'm not saying take months, but it's something a lot more simpler, but that you need to put more thought process in regards to it so it actually succeeds on the long run. Changing a few things here and there is not a big problem. Having to completely change everything sometimes can be very aggressive, and it can be very hard to just move from one way to another. If you have a good base, you can build on it and make changes whenever you like, and it will always work for you. If you don't have a routine, a planning system, you will find yourself flipping through your planner, not knowing where to go. And you may spend more time flipping through the planner than you do completing actual tasks. If we go back to basics, we used to find planners that had a monthly, a weekly, a daily, and possibly notes on them. You usually would add your bills and appointments to your monthly. Anything that was on a actual schedule, on a date, on a time, you would put it on your monthly. You would go to your dailies and your weeklies, and a lot of times you would put to-dos and reminders on your dailies, possibly on your weeklies, depending on how your week was or how you would read the planner itself. You have a monthly, so you can plan basically ahead for the month. So right now, today, May, I start putting things for the month of June now, and eventually by the time May is over, most of the things I want to complete for the month of June are already on there. So it works as a overall what you want to complete for the entire month. That's how they used to do it, or that's how it started anyway. You would use it for everything you wanted to do for the month. My suggestion would be exactly the same thing. Put your appointments, put your bills, put everything you need to do in that monthly. So you need a monthly to gather all the information you want to do. So you're planning ahead for the month. And then you move week to week into your weekly section. Will only apply to that week. You will not be going to the monthly. You won't be going to any other section in the planner other than your weekly. And you will concentrate on what you have to do for that particular week. Dues, your goals, your projects, your bills, and anything that comes up that was not added to your monthly prior to the month beginning. Because then you're already in a current week. It's easier for you to add it to the week that it actually applies to. Daily is for your routines, your reminders, to-dos, only for that particular day, not for days past, not for the next week. You need to concentrate on that specific day to complete the task on that day, on that specific time that you may have scheduled it for. Trying to figure out what you need to do for that day will make it easier if you have it on a daily. And your notes are for any phone number, addresses, a person's name, or any information that you want to retain or keep for a period of time. Now, I will add an inbox. Reason why is an inbox is a section that you would put anything that you need to do that you're currently not prepared to schedule on a specific day, or you don't know when to do it, but you want to have it on there. Now remember that this is something that you want to do within that month, if not the following month. You can carry over your inbox very easily if that is what you like to do. It's just the basics: monthly, weekly, daily, notes, and an inbox. This is where you start. This is the base of your planning system. This is my suggestion for newbies. Don't overwhelm yourself. You will put yourself in the situation to fail if you try to add 10 different sections in your planner and try to track 10 different things. Start with the basics. And remember, this is for someone as well that either your planner is either you're bored, you're in a funk, or your system that you're currently using is not working. Go back to the basics and it will get you to start over and have a fresh view of what you really want, or what you may want now than what you were doing before. Now, of course, you can absolutely have as many sections as you like. My suggestion to you as a newbie or as anybody that is just revamping their planner is start with the basics so you can make it stick, and the planner system that you're wanting to either find or make will work for you. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I truly do appreciate every one of you that watches my videos. If you have any comments, any suggestions, any tips of your own, please don't hesitate to leave them down below. So don't forget to subscribe and like this video down below if you like these types of videos. If there's anything you would like to see, please don't hesitate to let me know down below. Take care, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye-bye.